Hey there, it's Zahidul. If you've ever thought broccoli was boring, stick around because I'm about to show you my favorite easy and healthy broccoli recipe that's so delicious you'll want seconds. Seriously, broccoli has never tasted this good. Alright, let's get started. First up, ingredients. You'll need 1 big head of fresh broccoli, a couple of cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of salt and pepper, and for a little kick, some chili flakes if you like. It's spicy. Super simple, right? Okay, time to prep. Chop your broccoli into bite-sized florets and give them a quick rinse. Don't toss the stalks. Just peel the tough outer layer, slice them up, and use them too. They're totally edible and taste great. Heat up a large pan on medium-high and drizzle in your olive oil. Once it's hot, toss in the garlic. Let it sizzle for about 30 seconds. Trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing. Now add the broccoli and give it a good stir so it's coated in that garlicky oil. Here's my secret. Add a splash of water and cover the pan for 2 minutes. This steams the broccoli just enough so it turns bright green and tender, but still keeps a satisfying crunch. Take off the lid, season with salt, pepper, and those chili flakes if you're feeling brave. Crank up the heat for another minute so you get those crispy bits on the edges. So good. Finish it off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving. That zing really wakes up all the flavors. And that's it. You've got perfectly cooked, super tasty broccoli in under 10 minutes. Serve it as a side, toss it into pasta, or just eat it straight from the pan. I won't judge. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you want more easy, healthy recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for cooking with me. I'll see you next time.